Hello guys, my name is Harshit. This is my second story, and as I discussed in the previous video that I'm telling a story daily. I'm doing this for increasing my fluency in English. First I used to read a story, write it, and then make a video on it. So please, as I'm learning it, don't mind the mistakes in grammar and the things which I will make here. So let's get started. First, let me explain the story in Hindi so that because of any wrong or incorrect statement in English, you will be unable to understand the proper lining and the proper content in the story. So let me first explain it in Hindi. तो ये स्टोरी का जो टाइटल है वो है द कॉप एंड द एंथम, एंड ये लिखा गया है ओ हेनरी द्वारा. क्या होता है कि एक क्रिमिनल बैकग्राउंड से एक व्यक्ति होता है जिसके पास ना घर होता है, फैमिली ना है उसका ना कोई रिश्तेदार है, फ्रेंड्स कोई नहीं है. अब एक दिन की बात है कि वो बेंच पर सोया होता है और अचानक से एक ठंडी सी हवा बहती है और वो उठता है. वो ठंड का दिन होता है, उठता है, उसे ठंडी लगती है तो वो सोचता है क्यों ना वो अब जेल चला जाए. 3 महीने के लिए ठंड से तो बच जाएगा. उसके पास घर तो है नहीं, कोई ना कपड़ा है पहनने के लिए, कुछ भी नहीं है उसके पास. तो अब अलग अलग तरीके आजमाता है कि वो बुरा काम करे और जेल चला जाए. तो पहले क्या करता है, वो किसी एक लग्जरियस होटल में जाने की कोशिश करता है लेकिन जा नहीं पाता. फिर दूसरा काम ये करता है कि एक शॉप का ग्लास प्लेट तोड़ देता है, फिर भी उसे कुछ सज़ा नहीं मिलती. और तीसरा काम ये करता है वो कि एक दूसरे होटल में जाता है, मतलब वो इतना लग्जरियस नहीं होता है लेकिन उसको एंट्री मिल जाती है अंदर. एंट्री मिलने के बाद खा पी तो लेता है लेकिन फिर भी उसको कोई सज़ा नहीं मिलती, क्योंकि जो ओनर रेस्टोरेंट के जो वेटर्स हैं, हेड वेटर्स हैं, वो इन सब पुलिस के झंझट में नहीं पड़ना चाहते. फिर उसके बाद वो किसी का अम्ब्रेला चुरा लेता है, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है कि फिर उसको कुछ नहीं सज़ा मिलती. लेकिन आखिर में जाकर वो उसके मन में ख्याल आता है कि उसे ये सब नहीं करना चाहिए बल्कि किसी नौकरी को पाकर सेटल हो जाना चाहिए. और यही ख्याल आते ही वो कुछ ऐसा गलत कर बैठता है कि उसे 3 महीने की सज़ा हो जाती है. एक्चुअली वो किसी चर्च में जाता है जिसमें उस वक्त के लिए जाना इलीगल था. इसी वजह से उसे मजिस्ट्रेट 3 महीने की सज़ा सुना देते हैं. तो सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट इन इंग्लिश. ए क्रिमिनल बैकग्राउंड पर्सन वॉज स्लीपिंग ऑन ए बेंच ड्यू टू ए ड्रिफ्ट ऑफ ए कोल्ड विंड. He woke up. Then he decided that I'm not having any family, any relatives, any home, any clothes, any money. I don't have anything. So I think I should go into a prison which will be a coveted island for him. Now coveted means desired, the one which we desire. सपनों का आइलैंड होगा वो, coveted island. Here when I will use coveted island or prison, all means the same jail. These all means the same jail. Okay, so what he first decided that there was a luxurious hotel near to him where he was sleeping on the bench. He was wearing a coat and a black bow, and also his face was shaven. The black bow was given by a missionary lady on a Thanksgiving day. Actually this story is not of India, so the Thanksgiving day and all are not celebrated in India. So let's consider a day in which everyone gives thanks to each other. Okay, so the black bow was given. Black bow means वो पट्टा होता है ना, ब्लैक कलर का, which is used by mainly Britishes and नॉर्थन कंट्रीज, मतलब ऊपर इन यूरोपियन कंट्रीज, that is weird by usually European countries. So he was nearly well dressed, but when he tried to enter that luxurious hotel, the head waiter noticed his tattered trousers and then doesn't allow him to enter it, because it was really a luxurious hotel, and he thought that he will not be able to pay this and going to do something wrong. So his plan was failed. He started walking on the Broadway. While walking, he noticed that in a shop of wares, the wares were cunningly displayed behind a plate glass. Now here cunningly means chalaki se, means very in a manner that attracts other peoples. In that manner the wares were displayed. Wares means कपड़े जो पहना जाता है, which we wear. Now what he did is that he took a stone and dashed the plate glass. The peoples came around with a policeman in the lead. The policeman asked that guy, who's actually the guy about whom we are talking about, his name is Soapy. The policeman asked Soapy that who had done that. Soapy said, keeping his hands in his pocket, don't you think I may have done this? Now anyone who will be did this will not remain for getting arrested. Whoever will do this will not remain at the same position for getting arrested. They will take to their heels. Take to their heels is a phrase to run away. Okay. Now the policeman noticed a man running behind a car. Then policeman joined the man in his pursuit. Pursuit means पीछा करना. पीछा कर रहा था ना मैन कार का, तो पुलिसमैन भी उस आदमी के साथ कार का पीछा करने लगा. उसको लगा कुछ होगा. Then Soapy was quite unhappy. He carried on to walking on the Broadway. Just on the opposite of that shop, he noticed another restaurant. That restaurant was not that much luxurious, it was normal. He got into it, and the crockery and atmosphere of the restaurant was thick. Crockery means मिट्टी के बने बर्तन, एंड एटमॉस्फेयर थिक था, थोड़ा मोटा मोटा था, भद्दा भद्दा. होता है ना कि कोई जगहों पर प्लेट वेट गिर जाए तो टूटे ना, ऐसी चीज़ों के लिए मोटी मोटी प्लेट रखी जाती है. The restaurant was like that something. Now he took himself to the table without any challenge and ordered beefsteak, flapjacks, duff nuts and a pie. He have it and called the waiter and told him that I don't have any money, you call the police. Now waiter said, police? We don't need any police for you. Now two waiters came, took the pitched the Soapy on a callous pavement. Callous means hard pavement. Pavement आपको पता होगा कि रास्तों के जो रोड होते हैं उनके बाजू में लोगों को चलने के लिए एक अलग सा कंक्रीट का बनाया जाता है, किसी भी चीज़ का बनाया जाता हो, मोस्टली टाइल्स वाइल्स का होता है। तो टाइल्स भी मतलब सीमेंट के टाइल्स होते हैं, वो टाइल्स नहीं बोलेंगे उनको, लेकिन सीमेंटेड कुछ रखा जाता है ताकि वहाँ पर लोग चलें, वहाँ पर गाड़ी वाड़ी नहीं चलती। दैट इज़ कॉल्ड पेवमेंट। नाउ ही वॉज रियली अनहैप्पी एंड सैड दैट again and again he was trying to do something and happening was something else. Now he keep on walking and now he started shouting on the road, chanting the enchanting something, means he was doing anything like this. The policeman on the road, means I was talking about, मतलब यहाँ पर इंडिया में हर जगह जगह पर पुलिस नहीं रहती है, लेकिन हम यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ पे जाएंगे तो वहाँ पर रोड रोड पर ऐसे भी कर्मचारी रहेंगे जो पुलिस रहेंगे, लेकिन उनका काम रहेगा कि मतलब रोड पे कोई रोड पे या फिर कोई भी पब्लिक प्लेस पर ऐसे घटनाएं हो तो वो मदद करने जाएँ। अब इंडिया में नहीं होता इतना, लेकिन यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़ में होता होगा। नाउ the policemen standing were looking Soapy, discussed with themselves that we don't have to arrest him as we have the order from upper level that there is a Yale celebration of Harvard college is going on, so I think this may be the student of the Harvard college. So we have the orders to not to arrest such people as they are just noisy, but they are not harmful. So Soapy after some time stopped shouting and keep on walking on the pavements. Now he noticed a umbrella outside a cigar shop. He entered the cigar shop and seen the owner of that umbrella. He came out and taken the umbrella and started walking forward. Now that man who was the owner of that umbrella followed him hastily. Hastily means जल्दबाजी में, hastily followed him hastily and told, this is my umbrella. Then Soapy said, oh, it's your umbrella, so why don't you call the police? Again he said, why don't you call the police? Then that man was little bit get scared. He said, oh, I'm sorry, I picked this umbrella today morning itself from a restaurant, so I think it's your only, you can take it. Soapy take the umbrella and started walking forward. Now he was very angry and angrily he hurled the umbrella. Hurled means, I think hurled मतलब होता है ना, umbrella हम लोग पकड़े से घुमाते हैं, गुर that hurling means. Soapy hurled the umbrella angrily. After walking little bit distance, a chilled wind blew through the Soapy. He was now shivering. Shivering means kaapna. He was now shivering and he closed the buttons of his thin coat. Then he keep on walking on the pavement. After walking some distance, Soapy came to stand still at a corner. He was standing still and a sweet music drifted to Soapy's ear. Now what he did, he was not looking anywhere and not imagining also anything. After a few minutes, he was now thinking of his degraded days, the dead hopes, wrecked faculties and all. Now his mind, due to that music, was changing. Now you know the power of music. Now a strong impulse moved to battle with his desperate fact. Battle with his desperate fact. Desperate means क्या बोलते उसको, बेताब. बेताब. Now I am also a human. I forget some things, some lines I forget, some words I used to try to say as it is, as I read it. So for that in that I forget some lines, that words which I wanted to remember, so I used to see again and again to it while making this video. Okay, now he was thinking that Soapy was thinking that he is young yet, and he will go to his to the roaring downtown and find a job for him. He remembered a fur importer who had offered him a job of a driver. Okay, then suddenly, actually Soapy was entered in the church while thinking this, because music was attracting also him. He was liking that music very much. That music was played by an organist in that church. So he had entered that church, and suddenly he sensed that someone have hold his arm. He moved his head up. It was the face of a policeman. Now the magistrate ordered 3 months to the island. 3 months means to the coveted island. 3 months to the prison. 3 months to the jail means going into that church for that time was illegal. So magistrate or the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, जो भी हो, उसको सज़ा सुना दी गई 3 महीने के लिए, क्योंकि वहाँ चर्च में जाना, go entering into that church or being for some time was not legal for that time. So he was punished for this. Means he was thinking to leave all these bad works and other things, and at that time only this happened. So this was the story. Thank you.